Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Bleeding hearts are beautiful perennial plants known for their heart-shaped flowers. Here's a guide on how to plant them. Firstly, choose the right location. Bleeding hearts prefer partial shade to full shade. Select a spot in your garden that receives morning sunlight but is shaded in the afternoon. Ensure the soil is well draining, rich in organic matter, and slightly acidic. Planting time. The best time to plant bleeding hearts is in early spring or fall, as cooler temperatures are more favorable for establishing roots. Planting process. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and as deep as the root ball of the bleeding heart plant. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the crown is at soil level. Fill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Mulching and watering. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Keep the mulch a few inches away from the stems. Water the bleeding heart regularly, especially during dry periods, but avoid overwatering, as they prefer slightly moist soil. Maintenance. Remove spent flowers to encourage new growth and prolong the blooming season. In colder climates, consider applying a layer of mulch over the plant in the fall to protect it during winter. Division and propagation. Bleeding hearts can be divided every few years to rejuvenate the plant. This is typically done in early spring or fall when the plant is dormant. To divide, carefully dig up the plant and separate the root clumps, ensuring each division has both roots and shoots. Care tips. Monitor the plant for pests and diseases, although bleeding hearts are generally resilient. Fertilize the plant with a balanced fertilizer in spring before new growth begins. Remember, bleeding hearts can take a couple of years to establish themselves fully, so patience is key. With proper care and maintenance, they will reward you with their stunning blooms year after year. For more tips, like and subscribe.